If you feel that purchasing office furniture can get expensive, do not choose brand-name furniture pieces. There are many stores that sell first-rate discount office furniture which are both affordable and stylish. Discount office furniture is not used or second-hand furniture that we generally see at local garage sales. Rather, discount office furniture is good quality furniture that is sold at low rates. There are many types of discount office furniture, so whatever the nature of your work, you will find a set of discount office furniture that you can use. Your discount office furniture should go well with the overall decor of the place where they are placed. Suppose you need discount office furniture items for your reception area. Your primary concern should be to get items which would enable people waiting to be comfortable. At the same time, you should keep your office clutter-free since the appearance of your office is a direct reflection of the business you conduct. So when purchasing discount office furniture, you should not forget about what you need and how well it can suit the place where it will be placed. Though these discount office furniture items do not cost much, choosing them is no easy job. You need to put a good amount of thought into your purchase of discount office furniture to get the best results. The most important factor with discount office furniture is that it has to be durable. If it is not, you will have to replace it within just a few years, which can be a highly costly venture. The next factor would be the quality of the discount office furniture. If the items are not of good quality, no matter how cheap they are, they would not serve their purpose. So be sure about the quality before buying your discount office furniture.